Okay? Then the ones that we are making as mothers, the ones that are now becoming mothers, the ones that are now going to become part of the new set of the mothers for breeding.
Before you go any further on that one, we already have the 9 ones, of which from the 44
Which one?
female, yes.
You're talking about these?
Yes.
Yes.
We already have the 9 ones. So from the 44 people, the ones that are fattening,
That's the one I'm talking about.
yes, we'll get some from there.
No, what I'm saying is, these are baby ones. These ones we're counting them as mothers to be, right? So this is part of the mothers to be.